Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Mitsubishi AC P8 error code. So first one is turn off the AC at the beaker for at least 5 minutes, and after that this will clears temporary faults or thermal lockouts. So another solution is make sure the outdoor fan is spinning and just simply clear any leaves, dusts, or obstructions blocking the airflow. Another one is inspect for overheating. So guys, the P8 code often means the compressor or inverter board is too hot. So check if the unit is in direct sun or has a poor ventilation. Another one is check voltage supply. So use a multimeter to ensure voltage to the outdoor unit is stable, and fluctuating or low voltage can trigger this error. Now, if any of these doesn't work, just simply contact Mitsubishi certified technician for this to be fixed. There you go, see ya.